Hello, this is George Senda, the real, authentic, official, original, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, copyright violators, or people who tell you not to donate to this channel. And there is only one authentic, the guy from Pittsburgh channel, no imposters in Missouri. All right, now, I wanted to tell you about the dreaded Prius. Sometime last week, Kathy goes out to get oil for the Prius, and she goes to Walmart. She puts a quart of oil in, and I don't understand how she's using the dipstick, because when I use it, there's oil on there. She claims there's no oil. She claims she did the dipstick. I take it out. I wipe it clean. I put it in. I pull it out with the engine not running. And there's oil in the dipstick every time I do it. She says no oil. Then she noticed at home or somewhere, I'm not clearing this, an oil leak. So she drives it home from the Walmart, which is a few miles away, and sees gray smoke coming out of the tailpipe. So now she's afraid to drive it, which is why I'm still stuck in here instead of going in the car. So I did a lot of searching on Craigslist and looked up places to get it repaired, and it looks like it's the head gasket. Now, we had something in the valves worked on earlier in the year. It cost over $300. And this car only gets 38 miles a gallon. It's got over 230,000 miles on it, whereas a Prius, the same Prius that is a 2007 will get 48 with a lot less miles. So we're going to repair this. It will cost $680, and we aren't going to have a running car till October 2nd, which is going to suck for a lot of reasons. Thank God I bought all this cat food and litter. And only have to buy wet food next month. So I have a lot of wet food for the outdoor kitties. I have wet food for my kitties. I don't have to buy dry food in November. But $680 is going to hurt. I'm not asking directly for people to donate, but if you want to help out, it would be appreciated that my PayPal account, falky2013@gmail.com. I am not awake. And by the way, I made really strong coffee this morning. That's FALKIE 2013@gmail.com. I can give Kathy $125 a month for 2 months, and she'll have to come up with the rest. Now, we found a place. We don't have to join AAA to do this. They will come to the house. They will work on the car in one day and replace whatever, take the head off and replace whatever has to be replaced, repaired, whatever, and the car will be running the next day, hopefully. So I already talked to them, and as soon as we have the money, 1st of October, we will call them, have them come out. I think I'll have them come and pick me up so I can go to Kathy's and then stay there for a while. And once the car is running, then we're not going to try to sell it probably after our anniversary, which is Halloween. And then we get rid of it and then save up for a Prius with a lot less gas mileage, hopefully. It's getting hard to find a touring one, which is the leather seats. But hopefully we can find one. So I've got to go out today. I'm running real late. And go to the coin dealer, go to Bank of America, go to the clothing store, and then go home. And go to the post office and pack mail. Zilda has not got her package yet. I'm wondering what is going on. It's been since Tuesday. And the last kitty package I sent her, she got no problem. So that's what's happening. And when this gets repaired, I may by then I'll have the iPad, and I may, if I'm not in their way, I may actually film them taking the head gasket off and showing what that looks like. So, but the only alternative to this would be to sell it as is, take a huge loss, or spend a small fortune, anywhere from $650 to $950 to get a new engine and put a whole new engine in. Which, if I had the money, I would do, because then it would extend the life of the Prius. But who knows what else is wrong with the damn thing? So we got a car that a year ago in August that someone didn't maintain, and they ran it into the ground. Okay, that's what's happening. I will catch you next time. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. I hope you're more awake than I am. And I got to go out in the heat, which is no fun. Feed the kitties, stop the post office. Kathy's Pokemon book is here. Go to Pack Mail to get a copy of the receipt, which I cannot find, to see if I have the tracking, get the tracking number, and go from there. Have a great day. And Zoe, I hope you get the package today. I know Marty will love it. And I spent quite a bit of money not only mailing it, but buying stuff for Zoe's beautiful white cat, Marty. And I would be very distressed if that stuff doesn't arrive, because then I'd be out the money and Marty wouldn't get his toys and his things, and Zoe wouldn't get the joy of opening the package. And Marty is so cute, he guards his mousies. I said him mousies last time. He puts his paw on the mousie, and he has it look like, you take my mouse over my cold, dead paws, will you take my mousie? He loves his mousies. So does Fluffy the cat. Fluffy has this Zowie catnip thing. The Fluffy, the richest cat in Finland. And my friend sent me pictures of Fluffy, and he loves the Zowie catnip stuff. So, my friend said that they don't get much American catnip things in Finland, so when I get some money, I'm going to send her a big package of stuff for the kitty. It'll cost a small fortune, but that's okay. And end of the month, I finally send the package to Lucky Ferals, but I'm going to make damn sure I keep the receipt this time. I have every receipt that I shopped for the last 2 weeks, but no package receipt. Drive me crazy. All right. Catch you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.